how do you follow this roadmap, and where to seek information if you want to follow what's happening?
So the two places, like this is like my kind of my other hat together with Kent and
Mm,
Alex Suniga.
mm,
Um, the community outreach programs that we have in place are something that we are really passionate about. Like I came from MVP community before, Kent came from MVP, Alex came from the unit working with the like robotics teams and doing working with community as well. So we all really passionate about that.
mm,
With that, there is two things that we do every month and trying to keep to a schedule so people knows more or less when it
Yeah.
happens. We have a Logic Apps live every last Thursday of the month
mm,
at 11 a.m. Pacific. And on that one, if you go to aka.ms/LA live,
mm,
Mm.
you're always going to find either the next item ready for you to run or the recap of the last one.
mm,
And we also have a newsletter because throughout the month we put like a lot of the articles out,
mm,
right? So articles that we wrote on tech community, articles that might be on public talks, a lot of articles that we find from community that we are tagged or that they tag with the Logic Apps Aviators the hashtag. And
mm,
we're trying to collate and curate all of that and
mm,
create a newsletter with like best of breed of
mm,
all the articles that we found that month. On that newsletter, we also try to shout out for people that
mm,
is usually doing a lot of work on the community, either being putting a lot of blog posts or being like quite helpful on chat or on the social media, in amplifying Logic App as
mm,
much as possible. That we call the Ace Aviators of the month,
mm,
right? This is quite different from the Azure MVP. This
mm,
is like a kind of a grassroots community where we just wanted people to share that knowledge
mm,
without
Learn.
like
mm.
any kind of bar of entry. Is that we wanted to make sure that is like from the community.
Yeah.
If you wanted to go and find the newsletters, the best place to go is if you go to aka.ms/AIS Tech Community.
Mm,
That's going to send you to the Integrations on Azure blog on Tech
mm,
Community. And from there, just subscribe because every month we're going
yeah.
to have like first Monday of the month is the day where we are publishing the newsletters.
Is it something that you can try to give us in so just like drive people to this community? Is there something in the pipeline coming out soon that you can
That
mention
is
or?
actually this Thursday, Pacific time, we're going
Mm,
to have a community day. So one of the things that we did it last year and was so well received that we thought that would be a really good thing to do again this year is we did a community like kind of a conference, but instead of being trying to get like a renowned public speakers or the product group talking, we
mm,
wanted people from the community to present either like a 15-minute presentation on a use case that they had a lot of trouble with and
mm,
managed to solve, like what is the lessons learned on that, to like talks on new technologies, but all of them is coming from the community.
yeah.
So if you go to aka.ms/logic apps community day, you're going to find the blog post with all the information, the agenda. We have MVPs, we have old previous Ace Aviators, we
Mm,
have like people that is brand new to the community, all of them presenting. And I think by now we have almost 5 hours of content.
oh.
So all of that is going to be streamed live, but then you're going to be available on YouTube later
Mm,
inside of the Azure Developers the YouTube channel.
I lately have been following the Logic App Aviators and the community actions that you have been doing. And actually, I get a lot of information myself to get by the days and
mm,
answer some questions because it's information that it's not complicated. It's in a simple, easy way to just get and know. It's like a small capsule of knowledge.
community driven by, like, yeah, exactly
Yes.
how it should be
Yeah.
driven, I guess.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
everyone is involved.